actually nothing special. We're gonna just do some things on the car. Well, I noticed some strange noises while I'm driving. Some clunking noises, and I don't know how to describe it, but every hole or something that I drive over on the road just makes some weird sound. So I think my sway bar link is done, and my top mount of the coilover, I think that too needs to be replaced. So we're gonna do that today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. Well, today we're gonna change some stuff on the my 206. We're gonna install some parts. Here in Croatia our roads are not the best, and we have a lot of potholes on the road, and we just break some suspension stuff all the time, so we need to replace some of those. And I have some problem when I'm steering. I hear some clocking sound, like clock clock. So I figure out what it is. It's the coilover spring rotating. So that means that this thing right here is broken. So yeah, we need to repair this. So here we have a few stuff. So here is a sway bar link from Fabi Bilstein. Here we have an part that goes on the
A few moments later,
top of the coilover. You will see what I'm talking about, because I don't know how you call this in English, but you will see. And here we have our coilover top mount. So this is it, and this is the part that goes in there. This. Okay, so we got the wheel removed and car jacked up, and now we need to remove coilover, and we will be replacing this part here. Is everything pretty everything is really filthy here because it was raining and everything is muddy. So yeah, we will clean all this up, and we will replace this part here and take the coilover out. Okay guys, I'm so sorry, the camera has died. So yeah, in the meanwhile, while the camera was charging, I take my time and have clean all this, so we can assemble the coilover and return it back in. So yeah, let's assemble this. Okay, so the coilover is clean and assembled, and now we're gonna return it in the car. Okay, so the coilover is in. We have tightened everything up over here, and now we need to attach this part here and replace this old sway bar link with this new that we have here. So yeah, now I will install this and then we are done. Okay guys, so everything is, coilover is in, sway bar link is in. Here we have a new coilover top mount with a new bearing, and now we only have to return the wheel and we are done. Can hear the coilover spring rotating. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but when that wheel bearing that I put in new gets bent or destroyed, it starts like blocking itself, and then you can hear the coilover spring rotating in the spot. So yeah, I don't know, for now it's pretty good, and I hope I solved my problem. So yeah, this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up anyway, and subscribe to my channel if you didn't by now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.